All right, so we're going to look for some prime factorizations. So this is a how to find a prime factorization. So what we're going to do is we're going to break each of these numbers into its smallest parts, its prime factors. So I'm looking at 225, and what do I know goes into 225? Well, I know that 5 goes into 225. So I can break this apart into 5 times, well, 5 goes into 20 4 times, carry the 2, so it goes into 45 times, right? Well, what number goes into 45? Well, I know that 5 and 9 both go into 45. 9 can be described as 3 times 3. So my prime factorization is going to be 3 squared times 5 squared. And I can double check my math here, which is always a helpful thing. And so I can do 3 squared times 5 squared. That didn't work. So 3 squared is 9. So I can do 9 times 5 squared is 25. Hello? There we go. And so going backwards it worked. Let's try it again. Let's take a look here. So I can see that, oh, I don't know, I know 2 goes into it, so let's start easy. So we have 2 times, well, I just divide this by 2, and I will get 68. Well, I see that 68 can be broken apart. I know 2 goes into it again, right? So that is 34. Well, I know 2 can go into that again. And I am left with 17. Now 17 is a prime, so I can't break it apart anymore. So I have 2 to the third, because I have 3 of them, times 17. And I can double check. I can go 2 times 2 times 2 times my 17. And it works. Finally, let's do a fairly large number. I'm going to break this apart. I know 50 goes into this, right? So I'm going to break it into 50 and, so 1250 divided by 50 equals, so it goes into 25. This can be broken down into 25 and 2. This can be broken down as 5 and 5. 25 can be broken down as to 5 and 5. So I have 1, 2, and I have 4 5s. 5 to the 4th. Now, if you want to take this one step further, are you done?
No, because I can't concentrate.
If we wanted to figure out how many factors these numbers had, all you have to do is take the exponent, add 1, so that's 3. That's going to be 3, and multiply them. So this number has 9 factors, I believe. Or is it adding? Oh well. So again, you could do here 4 and 2. Here you have 2 and 5. Well, let's double check this. So for 24, 24 has, if I break this into prime factorization, we have 2 and 12. That can be broken down into 2 and 6. That's 2 and 3. So we have 2 to the third, and we have 3 to the first. So 3 plus 1 is 4, 2. So if I multiply it, I have 6 factors, right? So I think it's going to work. So my factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh yeah, because 4 times 2 is 8. Perfect. So that's how to find prime factorization, and incidentally, how to find the number of factors a number has.